Hello dear learners, I hope you all have seen my previous video based on Roman numbers in easy trick. Today we will start with the topic prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100. Do like, share and subscribe Learning with Anjali. A method for finding the prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100 was found by the Greek mathematician Eratosthenes. In this session, we will discuss about the sieve of Eratosthenes and some important facts about prime numbers. Let us start with the sieve of Eratosthenes. Here I make a chart in which I draw some rows and columns. In first write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that write in this sequence up to 1 to 100. Okay. Let's see how do we find the prime numbers. Okay students. Let us see that 1 is not a prime number. So we make a square. This is not a prime, not a composite number. Now let us start with the second number 2. 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. 2 is a prime number. So we circle it. 3 is also a prime number. We circle it also. 4 is not a prime number. 4 is a multiple of 2. That's why 4 is not the prime number. And here 5. 5 is also a prime number. And 6 is not a prime number because 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3. Here 7. 7 is the prime number. So we circle it. Now 8 is not a prime number. Here 9 is also not a prime number. 9 is the multiple of 9 is the multiple of 3. 10 is not a prime number. Here 11. Now let us see here 2. We start from the row 2. In this row all numbers are even numbers and these all are the multiples of 2. So these are not prime numbers. We have to cut them. Now in the row of 3 these all are the multiples of 3. So we also cut it. Now in this row 4, the whole row is of 4 is cut. Now in the row of 5 let us remain this, and in this 6 this whole row is a composite number. Okay. Now see here. So we get only 2 rows from which we get the prime numbers. Now here we cut the multiples of 7. 7, 21, 28, 35, 42. Okay. Now from here 49, 56, 63, 70, 77 and 84. Okay. Now from here 91 and 98. So all the remainings are the prime numbers. Let us see how many are remains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Before counting, there are few numbers which have to be cut. Multiples of 5. So cut the multiples of 5. Here 35. Now from here 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now we will get the prime numbers. Count from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, then 13. There is no one in this row. 13 and 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 and 25. Okay, from 1 to 100 we have 25 prime numbers. I hope you all can understand how we get the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Let us start with some important facts about the prime numbers. First is number of factors. In the prime numbers, there is only two factors of any number. For example, number itself, and 1. Okay. Now, only even prime number. Which one is the only even prime number? Only 2. 2 is the only even prime number. 2. Third one is neither prime nor composite. Which number? 1. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite, as 1 have only one factor. 1. One factor means 1 into 1, 1 itself and 1. So we get only one factor. That's why 1 come in the column of neither prime nor composite. Large prime number of 2 digits. Large prime number of 2 digits will be 97. See here, 97. Smallest odd prime number. Smallest odd prime number is 3. Now, smallest 3-digit prime number. It will be 1, 0, 1. 101. Now, twin primes. What are twin primes? 2 consecutive odd prime numbers are known as twin primes. दो odd prime number जो लगातार आते हों उन्हें हम कहते हैं twin primes. देखिए कैसे, जैसे 3 और 5 लगातार आ रहे हैं. Second 11 and 13, they both come consecutive. 71, 73 and so on. There are so many. Okay. Now prime triplet. A set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2 is called prime triplet. 3 नंबर का सेट, 3 प्राइम नंबर का सेट जिनका डिफरेंस 2 से होता है, जिसमें से 2 का अंतर होता है, उन्हें हम प्राइम ट्रिपलेट कहते हैं और जो लगातार आते हैं. तो इस 1 to 100 में सिर्फ एक ही प्राइम ट्रिपलेट होता है जो है 3, 5, 7. उसके अलावा कोई और नहीं होता है. ओके, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द को-प्राइम्स. व्हाट आर को-प्राइम्स? 2 numbers are said to be co-primes if they do not have a common factor other than 1. कोई भी 2 नंबर्स जिनका कि कॉमन फैक्टर कोई ना होता हो उसे हम कहते हैं को-प्राइम्स, या फिर इसको हम कह सकते हैं जिनका कि HCF 1 होता है. जिनका HCF 1 हो, जैसे कि मानिए ऐसे एग्जाम्पल 8 and 15 ले लिया हमने. ओके, वी हैव टेक द 2 नंबर्स 8 and 15. 8 means 4 into 2, while 15 means 3 into 15, 3 into 5. So they both don't have any common factor. So these are called co-primes. They may be prime numbers or the composite numbers. Let us take a second example. 4 and 5. 4, 2 into 2, while 5 into 1. So there is no common factor. These are called co-primes. Now next is perfect numbers. If the sum of all factors of a number is 2 times the number, then the number is called a perfect number. Let us understand by an example 6. Take example 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. Now add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equals to 12. Means 6 into 2. So 6 is a perfect number. Let us take a second example. 28. Means 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. These are the factors of 28. Let us add it. 2, 4, 7, 14, 28 equals to 56. Means 28 into 2. Okay. There are so many other examples also. Last is 7 consecutive composite numbers comes between 1 to 100. See here. In this chart, we see that 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. In this whole chart, there is only these numbers which are consecutively composite numbers. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, learners, I hope you all understand this. So keep on practicing this. I hope this video will help you out to find the prime and composite number easily. Thank you.